I'm Anthony Bonney of InSurge Unlocked. If you're looking to generate more inbound inquiries from LinkedIn, welcome to Workshop Wednesday. So in this week's Workshop Wednesday, we're going to be talking about your LinkedIn profile banner. Keep watching right to the end. It's only a short video to make sure you get the absolute most out of your banner and even a couple of little free bits as well. Okay, so you may be feeling a little bit frustrated that your profile views are not turning into conversations. When somebody lands on your LinkedIn profile, there's very little time for you to have a real impact. Your banner is the largest, most editable part of your LinkedIn profile and gives you an opportunity to have that impact that you want to have. So there is a chance here to make sure you get in your branding, to make sure that you come across how you want to come across right straight away as soon as they land on your profile. So I've just given some examples here of prominent people on LinkedIn, some of them even influencers, and how they've set up their LinkedIn banner. So first of all, this is the standard. So when you sign up to LinkedIn and you have a new account, this is what yours looks like. And there'll be many of you that still have that right now. There is no value in this. This is just, it's plain, it doesn't offer anything to your customer. Right, so as different examples, these are two quite prominent people on LinkedIn who've spent time and effort to make sure that they get across their branding, their company, their style of what they want their profile to look like. So Dale's is in that imagery that he wants to get across. Gary V's is making sure that VaynerX is the most central part of his profile, and that's what he wants to talk about. So these pictures were all taken on a desktop computer. Now on a desktop, you'll see the profile picture sits here. That is not where it is on a mobile phone. On a mobile phone, your profile picture moves right to the center. So this means that actually, where Gary, for example, has put his company logo, it's actually completely obscured. Where Dale's put that lovely bit of artwork that he had on there, also, it's gone. You cannot see it. So you're losing the impact of what you wanted to get across when your customer landed on your profile straight away. A couple more examples for you. Bertie is a LinkedIn expert, and the company name over on the right hand side here, on a desktop you would be able to see that nice and prominent. On a mobile it's completely obscured. Scott here is also a LinkedIn coach. Now Scott's made a real effort to get across branding, style, what he does as a business, and actually some key points that he wanted to get across and that he thought were really, really important. These are completely gone from the profile. Now 60% of you right now are watching this on a mobile. So that means 60% of you, if you go onto their profiles and not seeing their banner how they wanted you to see it, okay? So one final point on this. This photo, not only does it move from left to the center, if you are on Android or Apple, it also changes. So on an Android phone, the picture is slightly bigger than on an Apple phone. So let's talk about actionable things that you can do within your LinkedIn banner. So if you want to make your own banner, which I absolutely implore you to do, then these are the dimensions that you need. So it's 1584 pixels by 300 pixels. And that will enable you to put an image in there and put that within your LinkedIn banner, and it fit perfectly. I've put here a template, and I'll go a bit more on the template in a second. The template here is if you follow these instructions, you're going to end up with a profile and a profile banner that is not obscured by either your profile picture on your desktop or your profile picture on your mobile. Now there are three key things that are the most important things on your banner. Firstly, branding. Use your logo or your coloring, whatever it is that have your branding colors, your branding logo. Make sure that people know it's you, that it talks about you. Secondly, what do you do as a business? What's your products and services? The people need to know what it is that you do when they land on here. And finally, contact details. So if you want to send them to your website, or you want them to email you, or you want them to pick up the phone and ring you, this is the place where you can say, this is how to get in touch with me. I'll give you a quick example here of a LinkedIn banner that has been created on some free software. So if you're not lucky enough to have a graphic designer like the graphic designer that does ours, there is free software out there, one being Canva, and you can use these free softwares to actually go and build your own banner using these dimensions and using this example of how to get it across, making sure that you sing and dance everything about your business, and that anybody who lands on it straight away knows they're in the right place, they know what you do, and they know how to get in touch with you. I've got a couple of things to help you implement this. If you would like a full guide and the template on how to implement this on your own LinkedIn banner, then please comment below and we'll send it to you. Thanks for watching today. I really appreciate it. Send us a reaction, follow me on LinkedIn, comment below, and I'll see you next time for Workshop Wednesday.